Okay, Jessica is gonna fly Walksnail today. A little oddity. Huh? Ready? Okay, now I'm gonna try these first. Okay, all ready. Okay, this one we already tried. Isidora. This is my QAVS Lumineer. Jessica is gonna fly this one today. OddityRC XI25Pro. It's Avatar Pro HD inside. We're gonna fly with Zorro and HAKRC Dominator HD and its Avatar. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is 6S. Jessica's first 6S battery. This is ready now. Good. This is good.
It looks sharp. Like
Everything sharp.
As it can be.
Okay, that's good. This little dude is ready. Okay. Do you see a picture?
It says transmitter is distant. Now I do.
Okay, it needs some time. Okay, so is it ready?
Yeah.
Listen to me very carefully with throttle. Slow micro adjustments, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna press record on both. Okay, so it's recording. So let's see this. LED off, LED on. So that works fine. That's good. And then this one is
Now it's
okay. It's in HAKRC mode. Wait, let me sync. Okay, we're synced. Okay, you can fly. So that's your first HAKRC.
Yeah.
You in HAKRC?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah. And we're rocking Rotor Village t-shirt. Nice. Come closer. Zip by my head. That's nice. Is it better than Mobula? Go close, zip by where we are. Because like empty field, no trees, it's pretty boring, right? Is recording on your goggles on? Nice. Wow, you're zipping like crazy. Is it stable? Flying smooth, huh? Come closer. Okay, so now you have to move. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slow down as much as you can. Go over this arm. That's nice. That's perfect. That's my pilot. Nice.
Right.
Nice. Wait.
Oh, I can't see.